Anywak leaders were behind the unrest situation in Gambella since 1991. Political power in Gambella remained firmly in Anywak hands until December 2003. But federal officials and many within Gambella, including significant numbers of Anewak community leaders, continually accused Anewak regional authorities of corruption and incompetence. Most glaringly, regional officials did almost nothing to resolve Anewak newer ethnic tensions or conflict. Many within the Highlander community reportedly believed that Anewak regional authorities had no interest in putting a stop to the attacks against Highlander civilians and newer people. And the federal authorities also came to suspect that leading Anewak politicians were actively collaborating with the armed Anewak groups attacking Highlander civilians and newer people. The federal authorities imprisoned many Anewak political leaders, and indeed, a substantial minority of Gambella's educated Anewak elite have been imprisoned or forced into exile over the past decade.